Yes, okay. Now, let's see. Today is 15th of September. So, taking all this off. Okay, right now this is what we have here. This is the naked chart without any zone or any indicators. So, at the moment, price market is in a place that is not interesting to me to get onto, so I'll be waiting for this so here, this is what I'll be doing. So let's say this is a zone, resistance zone right here. So I'll be waiting to see what market wants to do in this zone, because this is a strong zone that has been tested in the past year. So this is another point B for me. So I'll be seeing if market will be able to break this and we can continue. If not, if market provide an entry here, we'll take in a sell from this zone here down to somewhere here or even more, depending on what market is doing. So and I can see a divergence coming in at this point, so wait and see. This is GBP USD anyway, so we will see the reaction of the market here at this level. And USD JPY also is they are all moving. Yeah, the market is really ranging at the moment for a couple of days now. Months market has been ranging, so market is still in this ranging circle. So what I want to see on here in USD JPY is market break this my support, or market break this resistance. Because they are both strong legs, so that is what I will be looking at. So this is coming in also. So right there, market break tap here and show a reaction, or market break this to the downside, and we can continue coming down here. So whichever way, so that will be the trade I'll be looking at. If market come to this point and break and close below this zone right here, so I'll be waiting for a pullback, then continuation down to this downside or even further. Or further. So all these zones are the point where I'll be looking for the market to bounce off from, so that's why I marked them out, and I'm doing the same thing on here as well. So right there, so market come here and show a strong support for a buy, go up or break close above this below this support zone and retest, then ride the market down. our market close above, come back to this zone, this resistance zone, and you see a reaction that market is coming back down. We take the sell, our market break out of here, break, come back, then we push it higher, or our market come back here, market will move from here, sorry, back to this zone right here, then a little push out, come back to this zone, come back to this zone, close inside this zone, then we ride the market down. So the same thing happens here. Pull back, break, then pull back, then continuation to the downside. So either way, or market here, market break, the continuation down to this zone, then market rally, give us a nice entry here and push the market back to this point. Yeah, then to this point, sorry, so then we'll push it back up here, then here, come back down, then to that, and continuation. So whichever way, but at the moment I'm just sitting on my hand, just watch the market closely to see what the market wants to do. So because from in anything that is happening in this zone, it is not for me. I'm not taking any trade in here until we see the break and close that I'm looking for. That is that on the USD JPY. You can see on the higher time frame too, we're just ranging. So but it's fine, we know how to find a trade when market is ranging as well. So you just have to be patient. So Euro USD, let me see what is going on here. I'm running late. Okay, yes, so as you can see, this is a strong support zone, support for me. I mean, strong resistance, sorry, this is a strong resistance zone. Another one is coming in here and here. So now this resistance zone has been tested in the past multiple times here, so all the way here. So I'm hoping this place, this zone will push the market down back to this place, or even further down to this place. So let me see, are we having a divergence? No, not at the moment. So now our market push higher, break out of this resistance zone, push higher, break out of this resistance zone, come back for a retest, then we'll see a continuation to the upside. So either that or this resistance zone push the market down. Okay, so right now we'll be watching to see if there will be any reaction here, any entry here to push the market down at this resistance zone back to this support zone. So I'm hoping if there is a close below here, that's a bearish engulfing candle, so this might turn to a double top right here on a 4-hour time frame, which will be very, very lovely. And that will be at least the move is going to be a bit higher, if I mean a bit more lower if this turn out to be a double top right here on a 4-hour time frame. But either ways, let's see. At the moment, yeah, that's the only thing I'm seeing here on this Euro USD. Is either we break out, wait for a retest, then push higher, or this resistance zone push the market down. That is what I'm waiting for. Something like this. come back down or close here, continuation, go back to the neckline, then continue down. So either way, let's see how it is. And that is it for today. I don't have much time on my hands right now to analyze. Okay, and also this is coming on a higher time frame. This was a lovely trade. This is a support zone right here. This is a support zone right here, you can see here. And this is a neck, head and shoulder. Yeah, this is left shoulder, this is right shoulder, and we are having a pull out of that zone. So this trade will be a very long one, where I'll be targeting this zone right here, here for my take profit. So that is that. This is GB New Zealand. So we'll see how it goes. We'll wait for the 4-hour candle to close. If it close above, then we expect a little pushback, maybe like 25 or 50%, then we ride the market. That is that. And also on here, this is also forming a double bottom right here on a support zone, at a support zone, so on a 4-hour time frame. So also this will be a long trade as well, that we will be aiming this zone right here for our take profit. So GBP Aussie and GBP New Zealand are the same trade, looking the same. This is head and shoulder pattern, this is double bottom. So that is it. Have a good trade.